Well, good morning. So recently I was asked by Ad Forum, in fact, who, we see every 6 months or so, for some insights into what's really happening in the South African communications industry. So, and what are the challenges that the industry is facing for 2023? So I think I'll just give you some highlights from what I said to them. Most importantly, I think, South Africa likes to keep up with global trends. It's very important for us to be able to help them do that. I mean, obviously, the international agencies have a lot of international contact themselves, but through the IIS, we manage to keep them abreast of what's going on from the meetings that we have as a business with our overseas counterparts and with international agencies. And then the other big thing, I think, which I think is going to be increasingly important, became very important last year and is increasingly important generally, is to keep up with how marketing spend is being allocated. It's really interesting with so many media channels now and so many channels of communication, how money is being spent and how marketers are thinking. And there is a lot of anxiety about how to make sure that you're getting the most out of the rand that you're spending and the most out of your marketing budget. So that's certainly a key area, and it's one that we have to look at quite constantly as well when we are running pitches, because it's not just about finding a one-size-fits-all agency anymore. It actually is about finding a number of agencies who can provide the specialist skills that the marketers are needing more and more of in order to reach the key audiences that their brands need to reach. I think that another trend we picked up, or another area that we're picking up, is how people are consuming media. And of course, with television now, it's still dominant, of course, but how are we seeing TV content? We're seeing it on our phones, we're seeing it on our laptops, we're seeing it in all the different sources, and tracking all of that has now become a big issue for the broadcast industry. How are consumers viewing commercials? What's changed? And the same with radio, by the way, because they're also listening to podcasts, etc. So that's another big area that we believe is going to be important to understand a lot better this year. So yeah, that's just to give you an idea of the kind of areas that we've highlighted, which will be of interest to marketers and to agencies this year, and in particular for any marketer who is entering this market. Thanks for listening.